Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the FiboPiv V2 indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the FiboPiv V2 indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart, and please don't forget to click on the load imports in a settings window. I also want to recommend you an indicator that shows levels where other retail traders placed their stop-loss orders. The price is very likely to interact with these levels. This can be seen on a historical chart. The best way to use this indicator is to sneak your take profit into such stop-loss clusters. Thus, it will be triggered with a higher probability. And if your position is opposite, you can try to avoid placing your stop-loss orders in such a cluster. In this case, decreasing the probability it will be triggered. Simple and brilliant. Try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with stop-loss clusters, you will also get 7 other sentiment indicators. The FiboPiv V2 indicator represents a unique combination of Fibonacci extension and pivot points for price action traders. This free MetaTrader 4 indicator has been specifically developed to guide intraday traders through the key price levels. We'll use its pivot point for determining the possible price breakout zone. Besides, its Fibonacci expansion channel helps us to forecast the potential target level of the price. So, how to trade with the FiboPiv V2 indicator? The indicator makes trading quite simple. It only requires following a few simple rules for operating this easy MT4 trading indicator. For buy orders, wait until the price breaks above the pivot levels. Open a buy order whenever a price candle closes above the market pivots. Also set the stop-loss level below the current market low. You will find 3 Fibo levels above and below the pivot line. These Fibonacci extensions levels show the possibility target levels of the price. So, when you are on a buy order, target the higher Fibo channel as take profit levels. The price breaks below the pivot level signals for a bearish breakout. In such a case, we'll open a sell order below the pivot area. Besides, we'll place stop-loss above the recent market high. When you are in a sell order, hold your entry until the price hits the Fibonacci channel area, and exit the sell order whenever the price refuses to break below the Fibo supports. Please note that you should target at least 2 risk profit compared to your budgeted risk while trading with FiboPiv. FiboPiv V2 offers the best breakout trading tool for MT4 platforms. Besides, its easy application and simple rules of trading offer an extra advantage for beginners. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.